Hi everyone, I'm Ken from CryptoTradingKS and BORSOG Trader. If you're new, welcome, and welcome back KS family and the BORSOG clan. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin is currently up 0.01% to 19,231. Ethereum is up 0.1% to 1060. From my 30 plus years in financial markets, I explain the smart money mindset to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, gaining real wealth in the process. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, please subscribe to YouTube. Please consider sharing and liking this video, and also subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you as a part of our globally extended KS family. Thank you for tuning in. I very much appreciate us sharing this time together. When we do BORSOG trading, we're always recognizing that opportunities are everywhere inside the crypto market. Many people feel that if the market turns red, there's just no opportunity anywhere. That is definitely not the case. Many people are saying crypto winter is there and you can't make any money. I started the BORSOG Trader account on YouTube a little over 2 weeks ago, and what I've done since that time is to share trades that actually show you can make money, and you can make a lot of money, and these are all current trades. If you would like to see real examples of real trades substantiated by trading history, please pop across to BORSOG Trader. You'll see the link from the CryptoTradingKS channel as well. I'd like to send a big congratulations to someone you know and his wife. My wife and I are going to celebrate our 10th wedding anniversary and 15.5 years together in total. How awesome! Happy anniversary! I've left helpful links in the description of this video, such as the links to the masterclass. Please use this link to get 80% off. The tax software I use, that link will give you 20% off. And you can always directly message me on Twitter at any time. In order to BORSOG, you need the knowledge of the masterclass. First, we must mark up our charts with the CTKS method. That is, we need to understand how exponential price movement will be honored in the future. And this is really important to understand the crypto's personalities. Yes, they have personalities, and some of them are wildly personable and others are a little bit boring, but the concept is every crypto has a personality. Then we look at outside events, checking world events, collecting probabilities. Then we look back into the crypto market, finding the crypto market's focus, and we know opportunities reset every day. We've got a very positive outlook on the crypto market, and you can see from BORSOG Trader, and I'll be sharing a new trade today as well. There are so many opportunities in the crypto market when people close down, when they don't actually come from a position of mastery, of emotional control. They can get easily whipped out of their trades, and they may choose not to participate at all. Of course, every investor becomes a trader anytime they buy or sell, and so it's important for all investors to be able to understand how to trade. Bitcoin is currently trading at 19,263. It's just smack bang on some reasonable support levels here, just coming through at the moment at 19,245. We've seen a bit of negative momentum, so let's check the options market and see what's happening there. And masterclass students, you get my live chart in lesson TG34. Looking at the options market, we can see the options market has actually fallen $500 for today down to 19,000. That's that level just there, which would be on a support level. And the next day is 19,000 as well. The end of month options expiration is actually, max pain is at 25,000. If we reach that, we could see a fairly good rally inside the crypto market. The US, the largest market in the world, is coming up to its 4th of July celebration. So celebrations to everyone in the US. And what we actually see is there's been really light trading volume. We're currently in Sunday. It's quite interesting that the Fear and Greed Index has actually edged up from 11 yesterday to 14 today. And I've drawn this line across so that you can see where the fear rating of 14 has coincided in the past. That's an absolute extreme fear level in the crypto market. I started the BORSOG trader channel. I started doing those BORSOG trades around here when Bitcoin was just falling off a cliff. So when you look at the BORSOG trader videos, it's really good to keep in mind that we can make returns even though price is doing this. What's happening with the longs and the shorts? We can see the longs, this green line, they've been coming out of the market. The shorts have also been coming out of the market. Let's check liquidations. We can see liquidations are really tiny, 50.52 million in liquidations across 19,749 positions. Over the past 24 hours, we've seen 61.14% of total liquidations as being short liquidations. What about the past 12 hours? About 63% short. What about the past 4 hours? Whoa, it's gone the other way, nearly 77% long. What about the past hour? Oh, it's gone the other way again, nearly 70% short. And this is what you find when you're leverage trading. You'll always get liquidated in both directions. It's just part and parcel of doing leverage trade. And the thing to note, in the stock market and Forex, leverage trading is a very well understood discipline. But in crypto, the institutions and smart money will hunt your stops. You'll get liquidated right, left, and center. So that's why we have a bit of a motto inside the CTKS community. Friends don't let friends leverage trade. And why is that? Because it basically decimates their account. You can actually lose more than you put in with leverage trading. So we can see that the options are expecting a little bit of a negative bias, and there's very light trading in the derivatives market as well. Where do you think Bitcoin will head over the next 24 hours? Do you think it will go flat, up, or down? Be really interested in your comments. Let's look to the greatest gainers over the past 24 hours. Synthetics SNX up nearly 18%, XEM 16.6% up, Matic 7.3% up, USDC 6.28% up, Flow 5.4% up, Tezos XTZ up nearly 4%, and Bitcoin Cash, about time Bitcoin Cash, nearly up 4%. Bitcoin Cash has been really underperforming the market. And what are the greatest losers over the past 24 hours? KuCoin token down 12.35%. Poor old Atom down 3.64%, but that's not down much. XMR 1.5%, roughly down. AMP 1.4%, Litecoin about 1.2%. Stacks and Tron under 1% each. Looking at pattern recognition, we can see Bitcoin has been making a series of higher lows at the moment. It's at a bit of a juncture where it has to decide if it's going up or it's going down. What about Ethereum? Let's look at the relative power of Bitcoin to Ethereum. And what do we notice there? Please let me know in the comments. It's really good to do active learning, not passive learning. What about Binance Coin? We're seeing something interesting there. What is that interesting thing we're seeing? And we have such an incredibly supportive community. Everybody is there for each other. XRP, we can see that XRP has been following Bitcoin's gravitational pull. But what happened? It took off wildly, and then the gravitational pull of Bitcoin pulled XRP back. And this is a key thing to understand. No alt can escape Bitcoin's gravity, but they can diverge from time to time. But gravity is gravity, just like the apple and Isaac Newton's head. It's going to come down and meet eventually. Okay, let's have a look at ADA, Cardano. Something interesting in ADA. Please let me know what you think it is. Solana, making an upward trajectory there. What about Doge? Something really interesting is afoot with Doge. Please let me know if you see what it is. And when you've gone through the masterclass, you should be able to see these things, provided you've done really active learning. Passive learning will not take you to mastery, and it won't take you to mastery in anything. If you want to become a great tennis player, watching tennis matches is not going to do it for you. You have to play. When it comes to crypto, only knowledge can yield the result that you're after. Betting and gambling won't take you anywhere with the crypto market. It's just far too volatile. And there's something really interesting bubbling in DOT at the moment. Please let me know your thoughts. I've given you a lot of questions because I want you to actively learn. When I was lecturing first and second year statistics, I always had my students actively try and figure things out rather than me tell them all the answers, because they would get lazy and they wouldn't understand how to do and solve the problems without me being there. So I'm trying to help you to gain independence. And actually, this is what the masterclass is for. It's for transference of skills. It's unlike anything that you will go through in the crypto space from an educational perspective. And I think it's also very important that you understand why I put this masterclass together. It is all for knowledge transfer reasons. And if you go across to cryptotechnicalanalysis.org, the link is in the description, you will see a lot of different testimonials, and these will help you to understand how other people have found the masterclass as well. As Crypto Turtle said, it's really time to invest in your knowledge and skills, and this is a very, very important thing to do at a time like this, when the crypto market is basically going through a bit of a pullback. But don't forget this, the BORSOG trader, the trades from BORSOG trader are just from this period. And you can see the results of those trades here. You can make money, but you just need to know how to do it. And I have so many more trades to share with you. Please subscribe to the BORSOG Trader channel. It will help you enormously. A trade I'm going to share with you very shortly is a trade I made on the 28th of June as price was coming down like this. With price coming down like this, you would consider that profit would be unattainable. And then notice this flattening out. You would say there's no way that anyone could make profit when price is falling like this. I'll be showing you two trades. One I did that yielded a 22.58% profit, and the other one which yielded a 40.27% profit over that period of time. If I can do it, you can do it. And that's exactly what BORSOG Trader is all about. Dreamsick had a really good comment. All thanks to your videos, Ken, this week. I was a lot more disciplined. I countered my habit of getting in too deep too quickly. Now I lower my level buys, which create a safety net to capture volatility, dramatically lowering the average buy price and making taking profit levels much easier. Just always remember, this is really terrific. Thank you for sharing, my friend. You make money where you buy. That's rule 7. Buying creates profit. Well done, Dreamsick. You understand and you're applying this rule really, really well. Another thing to note, many people say, Ken, what do you do in a trade when it goes against you? The truth is, if you're borsogging correctly, it's already gone against you. And this deprograms your brain from actually looking at losses as bad things. Losses are not bad things. Professionals do this all the time, and they know how to turn a loss into a profit. And when you go through the masterclass, if you've actively learned, just gone step by step and not jumped around all over the place, because the next lesson is based on the previous lesson. It's like walking up a staircase. You don't want to have steps missing in your knowledge, because your knowledge will shatter. And if you've done that active learning, if you've marked up the charts, taken it really seriously and committed yourself, you'll understand borsogging at a level other people won't even come close to. So why do we borsog? Isn't that dangerous? Well, if you think about firemen and firewomen just running into a burning building, if they ran in singlets and thongs and their shorts, they would get damaged, but they don't do that. They have protective equipment and they have the training and the experience that goes with it. And we know from Rule 4, Price moves in waves. Price is always going up and down. And if we understand that crypto's personality, we're going to do quite well. Does that mean everything will go for us? Of course not. It never does. That's not life. We can't have it all our own way. And if we do, we just get a little bit crazy because we don't understand that life doesn't work that way. It's always shadows and sunlight. But in the trades that are coming up, those two trades, I'm going to show you how things went dramatically against me and I still pulled out those returns. When people trade under leverage, they can get liquidated. We trade at spot because spot we can't get liquidated. I think you'll find those two upcoming trades really interesting. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video and also subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you as a part of our globally extended KS family. Thank you very much to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers, and to the CTKS ambassadors for assisting Masterclass students. And of course, a very big thank you to you for watching and for being part of our global KS family. I've left helpful links in the description of this video, such as the CryptoTradingKS Masterclass. Please use the links in the description to get an 80% off by contacting the ambassadors. Alternately, you can always reach out and contact me directly on Twitter. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, my friends. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.